Uganda is one of the few countries which is suffering under multiple regulatory environments. The SACCOs are being regulated by Bank of Uganda, they are being regulated by UMRA, they are being regulated by Ministry of Trade and Industry. And this overworks the SACCO, because when one regulator comes and asks for a certain report, another one comes and asks for another report, another one comes and asks for another report. That means you will spend all your time working on reports and you will not work on growing the SACCO. That's why, as a union, we are asking the government and requesting the government that we want to be regulated by a single regulator. That regulator be the one to regulate all the SACCOs regardless of their capital base, regardless of their saving. And that one regulator will be able to help even other SACCOs to grow, not to categorize us, the bigger SACCOs to be regulated by one entity, then the other ones by another entity. That one actually will not help, like the smaller SACCOs will not be helped to grow. We want, if all these SACCOs are regulated under one roof by one regulator, then the bigger ones will also help the smaller ones also to grow. Because if we continue being regulated by different regulators, actually SACCOs have started even bringing down their capital, share capital, some even their savings. They have started now withdrawing their savings because they don't want their SACCOs to be regulated by a certain entity. Because there is a threshold which have been put for those other SACCOs which have got 500 million and above, and whose savings is 1.5 billion and above, to be regulated by one entity. So members are saying, okay, we are going to reduce our savings and to withdraw our shares, so that now we are not regulated by that entity because we don't belong to that entity. We are not company. And indeed, when you say that the Bank of Uganda should regulate big SACCOs, SACCOs are not companies. Even in the law, they are talking about companies. They are not talking about cooperative societies. Cooperative societies, our principles are completely different from companies. For us, we are registered by the Registrar of Societies and the Ministry of Trade, while companies are registered by a Register of Companies. But when you go on splitting the sector, then you cause more challenges, you cause more problems to the sector. Like now, SACCOs which are withdrawing, where members are withdrawing savings. That means they will never go back to saving. They are reducing on their savings so that they cannot meet the requirement which the Bank of Uganda want. And are we promoting the saving culture? No. That means we are not promoting saving culture. But if we get one regulator and then whatever requirements are needed, that one regulator puts them to the SACCO sector, then we shall be able to abide by that.